Hello and good day. Welcome back to our class. This is teacher On Guzman. Our topic for today is midpoint formula. In this lesson, you will be assessing your knowledge and skills of the different mathematical concepts previously learned, particularly in performing mathematical operations. This knowledge and skills will help you to understand the midpoint formula and its application to real-life situations. To illustrate the midpoint formula, let us consider the points n that has coordinates of x sub 1, y sub 1, and g has a coordinates of x sub 2, y sub 2. Now, if we will have a point n, and that point n is called the midpoint of the segment ng, it is the midpoint, or it is the point that is exactly halfway between the endpoints n of x sub 1, y sub 1, and g, x sub 2, y sub 2. Thus, the midpoint m is given by the formula m is equal to x sub 1 plus x sub 2 all over 2, comma, y sub 1 plus y sub 2 all over 2. And also, we can say that nm is equal to ng because the point m will divide the line segment ng exactly into two equal parts. To illustrate the midpoint formula, so let us consider the problem number 1. The coordinates of the endpoints df are t, 1, negative 6, and f, 9, 5, respectively. What are the coordinates of the midpoint n? So first, let us use the Cartesian plane. So we have here point D as well as point N. And there's a line segment that will connect them. And we want to find out the midpoint between the line segment DN. Again, so the midpoint formula is equal to x sub 1 plus x sub 2 divided by 2, comma, y sub 1 plus y sub 2 divided by 2. Now, let's recall, okay, our x sub 1, comma, y sub 1 is the point D. So it means that x sub 1 is equal to 1, y sub 1 is equal to negative 6. Also, our x sub 2, comma, y sub 2 is equal to 9, 5. It means that x sub 2 is equal to 9, y sub 2 is equal to 5. Then let's substitute. So x sub 1 is equal to 1 plus 9 over 2, comma. So we have negative 6 plus 5 over 2, comma. Simplifying it further, so I have 10 over 2, comma, negative 1 over 2. Or the midpoint has the coordinates of 5, comma, negative 1 half. So let's move on to the second problem. Use the diagram below to find the midpoints of the segments BO, OY, and BY. So let's look closely on the Cartesian plane. B has the coordinates of negative 3, 2, while O has the coordinates of 1, 4, and Y has the coordinates of 3, negative 2. So remember that the midpoint formula is x sub 1 plus x sub 2 all over 2, comma, y sub 1 plus y sub 2 all over 2. Now, so let's start with the midpoint of BO. So in symbol, we can rewrite this one as the midpoint of BO. So remember that we have, okay, let's consider this is actually negative 3 plus 1 all over 2, comma, we have 2 plus 4 all over 2. So we can have negative 2 all over 2, comma, 6 over 2, or this is the same as negative 1, comma, 3. Next, let's move on to the midpoint of line segment OY. So we have the coordinates of 1 plus 3 all over 2, comma, 4. plus negative 2 all over 2, which is the same as 4 over 2, comma, 2 over 2. Or in the simplest term, so this is the same as 2, comma, 1. Next, let's move on for the midpoint of the line segment BY. So this is the same as negative 3 plus 3 all over 2, comma, then we have 2 plus negative 2 all over 2, or this is the same as 0 over 2, comma 0 over 2, or finally, this is at 0, 0. So, here are the coordinates of the midpoints BO, OY, and BY respectively. So let's move on to problem number 3. If Q has the coordinates of 3, 6 is the midpoint of the line segment PR and one of the endpoint R has coordinates of negative 2, 7, find the coordinates of the other point P. So by the way, let's use the Cartesian plane to illustrate the problem. So point Q is actually between the points R and P. We know that the coordinates of R is negative 2, 7, while the midpoint has the coordinates of 3, 6. And we do not know the coordinates of the point P. So that is why we will use the midpoint formula, which is equal to x sub 1 plus x sub 2 all over 2, comma, y sub 1 plus y sub 2 all over 2. So we will let R as our x sub 1, comma, y sub 1, while P is our x sub 2, y sub 2. Okay? So, now we can equate now x sub 1 plus x sub 2 all over 2 is equal to 3. Okay? So, therefore, x sub 1 is equal to negative 2 plus x sub 2 all over 2, which is equal to 3. Using the cross product, so I have negative 2 plus x sub 2 is equal to 2 times 3. So simplifying further, so I have negative 2 plus x sub 2 is equal to 6. And add both sides by positive 2. So x sub 2 is equal to 8. I will do the same for the value of y sub 2. So I can say that y sub 1 plus y sub 2 all over 2 is equal to this time 6. So y sub 1 is equal to 7 plus y sub 2 all over 2 is equal to 6. Using the cross product, 7 plus y sub 2 is equal to 6 times 2. So we have 7 plus y sub 2 is equal to 12. Subtract both sides by 7. So y sub 2 is equal to 5. So therefore, the coordinates of P are 8, comma 5. Let's apply the midpoint formula in a word problem. So let us consider problem number 4. A recreational building is constructed midway between the two malls. The coordinates of the first mall drawn on the coordinate plane is 5, 8, while the coordinates of the second mall are negative 12, negative 10. What are the coordinates of the point where the new recreational building will be built? So again, let's list down our x sub 1, comma, y sub 1 as the coordinates of 5, 8. While our second coordinate, x sub 2, y sub 2, is the same as negative 12, negative 10. And we want to find out our midpoint. So the midpoint has a formula of x sub 1 plus x sub 2 all over 2, comma, y sub 1 plus y sub 2 all over 2. So Let's substitute. So we have x sub 1 is 5 plus negative 12 all over 2, comma, then we have 8 plus negative 10 all over 2. So if we will simplify it, we have negative 7 over 2, comma, negative 2 over 2. So simplifying it further, so I have negative 3.5, comma, negative 1. So therefore, the coordinates of a point where the new recreational building will be built is negative 3.5, negative 1. So that ends our lesson for today. Hopefully enjoy it. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you will be notified about my new videos. Thank you and good day.